Oh my god, it's so gross under there. Ew. Hey guys, happy, well wait, you guys are in the future. Happy late 4th of July, those of you that live in America. I am going to the store right now, surprise. I'm gonna get some 3M adhesive so I can change out these side skirts on the TT, which means today is going to be a TT video. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what the TT is, here's a link up to the video when we did a 780-mile road trip to buy this car sight unseen and limped it back from Utah all the way down to Tucson.
Pump that gas, woman.
I'm not gonna punch your butt.
No, it's funny and fucking sucks.
It's actually a really good video. You guys should check it out. Anyway, I am going to the store and we'll get that adhesive. We're gonna do the side skirts and maybe clean up these wheels. Boom. Got some 3M adhesive. I actually got 2 rolls of it. So I'm pretty sure this is what is similar to what's used on the TT side skirts because there's triple squares underneath the rubber undercoating I need to peel off. And then there's 3M adhesive that goes along the side skirt. It might be a different type of adhesive, but I'm pretty sure this will work. I'm gonna spend my 4th of July working on a German car. But at least I'm dressed all cute today. I have my patriotic outfit on, wearing a red top, even though I got a high-waisted skirt, and a red and white Converse. So I'm all patriotic today. And now I'm gonna go change into some crappy clothes and get dirty. Some of you were asking me in my last video if I got rid of Forrester Gump. I would never get rid of my Forrester Gump, I don't think. But the yellow Lexus is actually a press car. I'm doing a car review on it. It's not mine, although I wish it was mine. It's kind of slow though. Seriously, Forrester Gump would take the Lexus RC 350, real talk. I'm pretty sure Forrester Gump's faster. Now for the fun part, I get to clean all the adhesive off the back side of these side skirts. This is gonna suck. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some, I'm just gonna use some simple green because I don't want to waste any good detailing products on these side skirts. So I have a bunch of leftover simple green and I'm gonna use that and then a wheel brush, and I'm gonna scrub the textured rubber undercoating side of these side skirts and try to get all this grease off. And then I'm gonna use my pressure washer to blast off the old adhesive that's on the back side of it. So wish me luck. It's hot out here and it smells like barbecue. It smells so good. That's the best part about 4th of July. And I'm not having any barbecue. Sad panda. Sad trash panda. I can't believe I got all that crap off of there. Made a huge difference. It's supposed to be 107 degrees today. Alright, so it's the next morning and I'm just sitting out here enjoying the air before it becomes an oven. I'm gonna take the TT and move it over under a sunshade and I'm gonna pull off those side skirts and pressure wash really good underneath those. And then I'm also probably gonna spray the wheels down with some Goo Gone and start taking that plasti-dip off. Da-da-da! It's a 2001 TT 1.8T Quattro. I'm gonna go set up the sunshade and get ready to start peeling some stuff. Well, I guess I'm not gonna peel the side skirts. I'm gonna peel the dip off the wheels. I'm gonna peel the side skirts off the car because they're stuck on. Ha, see, I was able to use this clip after all. I didn't have to delete it and start all over again. El gato. Oh, El gato. The dip is so thin that when you peel it, it's actually translucent. You can see through the dip. And then other areas, like on the center of the spoke right here, it peeled really easy. And as you're peeling it, you can see inconsistencies in the thickness of the dip. So it'll be really like translucent in some areas, and then other areas it's opaque and you can't see through the dip as you're peeling it, and that's from spraying it inconsistently. So that's what's making it really difficult to remove the dip from these wheels, because some areas are really thick, peels off great, and then a lot of the other areas it's really thin, so when you're trying to peel it, it breaks into tiny little pieces. So I'm gonna pull off the big pieces as much as I can, and then I'm gonna use the Goo Gone and the pressure washer to blast off the little chunks. In the garage. It's 103 outside right now. I'm gonna go in there and take off side skirts after I go lay down and cover my body in ice for like 20 minutes. I need to wash the crap off my face too. Oh man. I just went inside and scrubbed all the liquid plasti-dip off my face. It re-liquefied with the Goo Gone. When it hit my face, it dried. Yep, that could be taken out of context. So it's 108 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. 108. 108. I showed this in one of my past videos, but all the hardware down here is coated in rubber undercoating. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my multi-tool and use the knife blade and try to scrape some of this stuff off, so that way I can get a Torx bit in here, because I thought they were triple squares, but they're actually Torx T27s. I keep looking at my hair in the viewfinder on the side of my camera. Oh wow, this is a great look. Alright, last one. Come off. Oh my god, it's so gross under there. Ew! Is that poop? What is that? Oh, that's so nasty. There we go. Like an absolute bag of buttholes right now. I'm on the driver's side skirt now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snap my fingers and the side skirt's gonna be off the car to save me some time with filming. So, side skirt, no more side skirt. I'm going to pull Teeter Tot out into the driveway, and I'm going to pressure wash all this crap off the side of him, and then sweep out the garage and pull him back in and put the new side skirts on. Then he will be almost dent free, almost, because I got these dents on the door. So I'm gonna have to get a paintless dent repair tech out here to do the whole car. Probably make a video out of that, because it's a really interesting process to watch paintless dent repair done if you've never seen it before. Because I actually had a dent removed once, and it was really neat to watch, I thought. Oof. Oh, Teeter Tot. Ooh, Teeter Tot. Man, I can't wait till you're in good running condition. had to come inside and sit down. I sounded Canadian when I said that. Sit down. Is that a Canadian accent? I don't know. I sounded weird though. Sit down. It's like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Get down. I had to come inside. I started getting super lightheaded out there from where I was washing underneath where the side skirts go. 108 degrees is no joke. Like, that is some serious hot weather. All I gotta do now though is swap out the adhesive, the 3M adhesive, and then put the new stuff on there and then put it back up on the car. But it's already like 6 o'clock at night and I gotta get a video up for you guys for Friday. So I'm gonna go cook some dinner now and like drink a ton of water. Can we not just take a minute and look at this hair? What is going on? What? Oh my god. This is rough. This is really rough. Time to get these side skirts on. Let's time lapse some stuff. Morning, guys. Alright, so I made some progress last night. I put in a little bit of extra work on the TT to try to get both side skirts done. And I have a side skirt on the car. So come check this out. Oh, it's really windy out. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good with the new side skirts. No more big dent on the side of the car. Peep that center cap though. I don't have a center cap, so I just stuck that in there until I get a center cap for that wheel. But yeah, no more big dent on the side of the side skirt under the door, and no more ratchet looking plasti-dip. Although these wheels definitely need to be powder coated or refinished, either or, because they are kind of damaged from road salt, it looks like, from the previous owner. I did run into a little bit of a dilemma. Oh my god, I need to clean my garage out. I ran into a little bit of a dilemma though. I still have the passenger side skirt off, and I was trying to get this all done in one video last night, but I couldn't because of this right here. This is the hardware I have for the lower portion of the side skirt where it goes along the pinch weld. And the problem with this hardware, other than it being covered in rubberized undercoating, is see how there's a washer on the bolt? Well, that washer is designed to not go past the threads. It's smaller than the threads, so it's supposed to be permanently affixed to this screw. And what was happening is when I was backing all these out with my Milwaukee fuel, because there was rubberized undercoating attaching it to the car, it pulled the washer past the threads and stripped like 3/4 of the hardware. So most of the hardware I have is completely stripped out. So I have the driver's side one mounted with the hardware that was good, but the passenger side I need to get all new hardware so I can mount that on there. So I didn't want to just like half-dash kind of try to tack this thing on there to make it look like, ooh, it's finished for this video, because that would be like, that wouldn't be good work quality. So today I'm gonna go get some new hardware and then pop that passenger side skirt on there and it'll be good to go, it'll be done. So that is what I'm gonna do today. But before I go, I wanna give a shout out to my friend Aaron at 802 Garage. He's been busting his butt ever since he got out of school for the summer on his YouTube channel, and I definitely want to give him a shout out because me and him started our YouTube channels at the same time, and he's going to school full-time right now, so he's been really working hard at growing his channel, and he's a really funny guy. You guys should check out his channel. It's 802 Garage. He's from Vermont, so he's from really close to where I grew up. And yeah, so definitely give him a check out. And I might do another TT video next. I might start doing 2 TT, 2 MR2, so that way I can get a little bit more progress, it feels, on these cars. I don't know if that actually equates to more progress, but whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.